Arduino for Hair is an innovative and empowering project of the MPlace Girls, an initiative of the MakersPlace. Our mission is bold and clear: to inspire and equip girls and women to venture into the STEAM fields.
Being here has given me a better understanding of how circuits work, and I'm looking forward to learn how to program with the Arduino board.
Applying this to biomedical engineering, I know Arduino can be used to make a lot of products, such as using forms. Like getting to learn this is really a good experience and would help me in my field.
I'm so honored to be part of the Arduino for Hair second cohort at the MakersPlace, and I had a chance to experiment how to connect LED on the Arduino board.